Welcome to the Crypto Infinity channel where we try to help you find infinite ways to make money. My name is Hector and my goal is to help you reach financial freedom. Now before we get started, go hit that like and subscribe. Not a financial advisor, but now let's get started with your daily market update. So we have the market cap sitting at 1.90 trillion. We're up almost 2% over the last day. We have Bitcoin sitting at 42,000, Ethereum sitting at 2,900, XRP sitting at 83 cents, Cardano sitting at 97 cents, Solana sitting at $89. We have CRO sitting at 41 cents, Algorand sitting at 81 cents, Stellar sitting at 20 cents, Hedera sitting at 21 cents. As you see, the whole market's in the green. It's looking pretty healthy. So look at these percentages going up. We have Bitcoin percent 7% over the last 7 days, Ethereum 12% over the last 7 days, XRP 8% over the last 7 days, Cardano 21%. Cardano has just been exploding. Look at this chart. It's just been going up and up and up. Solana 8%. Avalanche has been another one that's just been popping. It's been going up. Polkadot 9%. We have CRO 7%. Algorand 12%. Stellar 12%. Hedera 6%. But I believe Hedera is a sleeping giant, so I believe Hedera will start moving as soon as all these other coins start moving as well. So Bitcoin, if we take a look at the Bitcoin charts, our technical saying it's a good time to buy, keep on accumulating. We have it at 42,000. We've been going up, then down, up, down, up, down, up, sideways, down, up. And we've been trading sideways pretty much. We've been holding that 42,000 support line. So that's really important that we're holding that support line because I believe our next support will be 45,000. And if we're able to surpass 45,000, I do believe we'll be able to go above 50. But again, that's just my opinion. This is not financial advice. But take a look at the XRP charts. Again, XRP is just doing the same thing, going up, down, up, down. We've been trading sideways for the last day or so. We do have it at 83 cents. Our technical saying is a good time to buy. I would say keep on accumulating XRP. That's just my opinion on this token. So I do believe if we pass this 91 cent range, we will surpass the dollar probably within the next week or so. So if we hold this 80 cent support line, we should be able to reach 91 cents pretty soon. I do believe, like I said, we've been going up and down. So we went up and we've headed back down pretty much. So I believe we have space for another leg up. We should pass that 91 cents within the next couple days. That's just my opinion though. So we have CRO right here at 41 cents. Technical saying it's a good time to buy as well. Look at this chart. It's just been going up, trending upwards, higher lows since the 14th, I believe. Yes, the 14th. So today's the 22nd. So within a week and a couple days, we have been on the upward momentum. So now let's take a look at this article. It says the NFL will allow teams to seek blockchain partnerships but keeps ban on crypto promotions in place. So it says the league held onto restrictions for specific cryptos and fan tokens. The NFL will hold annual meetings starting Saturday and team owners will be updated on the blockchain rule changes. The NFL will allow teams to pursue blockchain sponsorships in a limited way, with the partial change in rules taking place during a time of growing investment in the technology. The league decided it would allow promotional relationships without undertaking excessive regulator or brand risk. As you've seen this past year, we did have for the Super Bowl, we had a lot of crypto commercials during the Super Bowl, and we had players join crypto brands like FTX. We had Tom Brady, and we also had Odell Beckham. He did take a pay in Bitcoin, so that's pretty huge for the markets. It should move the markets. Now let's get on to the next news. It says Crypto.com nabs FIFA World Cup sponsorship for undisclosed sum. The exchange is adding the world's most storied soccer tournament to its growing list of sports sponsorship deals. So we see here Crypto.com has made another splash in the world of sports, announcing Tuesday will be the official sponsor of the 2022 FIFA World Cup. So that's coming pretty soon. That will be here in November 2022 this year. Could it be a coincidence that ISO 222 will be in November as well? We'll just have to wait and see 8 months from now. The partnership will put the exchange's branding all over the tournament's Qatar venue, as well as within the stadium's broadcast view. The total compensation of the deal was undisclosed. No sport brings the world together like football, and no sporting event brings the world together the way FIFA World Cup does. Crypto.com CMO Steven Kalifowitz told CoinDesk in a statement. Only a few brands have the privilege to participate as official sponsors, and we jumped at the opportunity to be the first brand to represent the crypto industry in this historic month-long event. So again, I do believe Crypto.com coin, which is CRO Chronos, I do believe it'll be pumping within the next couple coming days. This news was just released today, so we should have. I do believe we'll have a spike in the price. So it says Crypto.com made headlines in November when it acquired the Staples Center in LA, renaming it Crypto.com Arena. The deal was estimated to cost $700 million. $700 million? That's a lot of money. The exchange said in a Tuesday press release that it serves more than 10 million customers and has over 4,000 employees across offices in the Americas, Europe, and Asia. So again, Crypto.com is growing. The World Cup is a big event. I think me honestly, in my opinion, I believe it's bigger than the Super Bowl. I am a big football fan, but I do believe the World Cup is bigger because it is worldwide. So on to the next news. We have El Salvador postpones planned Bitcoin bond. The country's finance minister said the launch could be postponed to as late as September. El Salvador has postponed its planned 1 billion Bitcoin bond offering due to unfavorable market conditions. It had initially been scheduled to launch between March 15th through the 20th, but the Russia-Ukraine war and its impact on the price of Bitcoin caused the government to change the date. He said he don't think it's the time. It's the right time. There are some moves on the planet, adding that he prefers the issuance to take place during March and April. In May and June, sometimes you can, but the market variables get different. After September, it is difficult to raise unless you are previously funded, as in the case of Bitcoin bond. According to Zelaya, the Bitcoin bond will have a substantial oversubscription that could reach over 1.5 billion. In November 2021, the president announced plans to build a Bitcoin city funded by the sale of the bonds, which have an annual coupon of 6.5%. Half of the funds will be used to accumulate Bitcoin, with the rest earmarked for infrastructure and Bitcoin mining powered by geothermal energy. So again, this is huge for El Salvador and Bitcoin as well. El Salvador is trying to build the Bitcoin city with the Bitcoin bond. Now let's get on to the next news. So it says 31 regulated Japanese crypto exchanges to list Ripple XRP by the end of the month. We have Japan Virtual and Crypto Assets Exchange Association, a self-regulatory organization for the Japanese crypto industry, has announced that Ripple, alongside 70 other cryptos, will be listed across various crypto exchanges in Japan. We do see Ripple, well, XRP getting relisted, so I do believe this is good news for XRP. So I do believe XRP will be pumping pretty much anytime soon, and I do believe that's why the market is pumping now. All this news is coming out. Prior to the announcement, before new cryptos were listed on any of the 31 Japanese trading platforms, crypto developers were required to go through a screening process. However, the regulatory body observed that it was lagging behind in its number of supported cryptocurrencies compared to what is observed on other trading platforms outside Japan. Cryptos considered to be added to the green list are tokens and coins that are widely adopted and are available for trading across 3 unregulated platforms operating outside Japan. Again, this could be huge for XRP. We should see a bump. Now, on to the next article. Central banks, the Bank of International Settlements, developed digital currencies platform prototype. Several central banks and the BIS have developed prototypes for a common digital currencies platform that has the potential to make cross-border payments more efficient. The two prototypes demonstrate the technical viability of such a platform, the BIS said in a statement on Tuesday, with the Reserve Bank of Australia, Bank Negara of Malaysia, the Monetary Authority of Singapore, and the South African Reserve Bank. Codenamed Project Dunbar, the development also proves that financial institutions could use central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. We saw Biden speak about that last week to transact directly with one another on a shared platform, reducing the need for intermediaries and cutting costs and time. Who does that? Ripple and the RippleNet with XRP token. A common platform is the most efficient model for payments connectivity, but is also the most challenging to achieve. Globally, central banks are trying to come to terms with emerging payment technologies pioneered by tech firms, including China's Ant Group company. Additionally, Facebook Inc.'s project, formerly known as Libra, is building out a global payments network that could serve as its own stablecoin or CBDCs. The rapid growth of crypto, which are distinct from digital currency issued by central banks, is posing a potential threat to existing monetary regimes and adding urgency to debates on handling cross border money transfers. So, if we take a look here on R3's Twitter, it says R3 is proud to be a technology partner for Project Dunbar. Read more on the announcement in our latest blog. Go ahead and give them a follow. All right, so if we look here, Project Dunbar, that's what they're working on. BIS develops digital currencies platform prototype. R3, Project Dunbar. Now, if we go into this chart, we have R3 right here, which is Corda, ISO 222. We have IOTA, XRP, XLM, XDC, Algorand, and we do have USDC. We do have USDC running on Hedera Hashgraph, which is HBAR, and XRP on their ledger. That's pretty huge. But I mean, do your own research, and if you want to take a look at other articles, I will be talking about this on my next video. But that is all that we have for the daily market update today. Thanks to each and every one of you. Remember, if you like the content, hit that like and subscribe. Make sure you share the video. Thanks, and until next time.